Hello, I'm Howard Osgaard from the Hortis team at Species 360, and in this short clip we're going to show you how to add photos and record observations of your plant collection in Hortis. We're running this demo now on a smartphone, but you can obviously use the same workflow on desktop or tablet. However, most times people would probably take pictures live, and then the smartphone would be the common use case. The first thing you need to do is to actually find the plant you're going to take a photo of. You can do that by bringing up the list and search and filter to find that. However, in this case, we're going to show you how to use the map, because I think that is typically the most common flow for most people. So I'm going to go to the map, and we have a very small collection here, but you could then also use the locate me button so that the map will zoom in to where the GPS is located. In this case, I'm just going to click on this wonderful agave here, and to add a photo I can then just use my finger to swipe it up and then scroll down to the photos and click plus here. However, we're going to show you an alternative route, which is actually to record an observation and add photos at the same time. So the new observation button is sort of located up here, and when it comes to observations, you could think of that as an ad hoc way of doing inventory. So the idea here is that you and colleagues, when they see things going on in the garden or they're out there working, they can then take a picture or record observations. Maybe there's a flowering going on or whatever, and that helps you to keep the inventory gap much more under control in a much more effective manner, so that your plant collection data is much more reliable. What we're going to do here now is we're going to record this observation. You can select condition. In this case, I'm going to say it's fair. You can also do this flow when you see that plants have died, so that's also worth noting. If I say it's fair, I might say something like needs more watering, and with the power here of the rich text notes in Hortis, you can then add links to watering regime documents, or add font and etc. So you can also link to other records in the system. Watch our separate video on how to use the rich notes. The one thing then we could do is to take a picture. I'm just on the demos thing here now, so I've just prepared a picture, and then we can also, because this plant is in a fair condition, we might want to change the follow-up cycle. That means that you will be notified, or not notified, but you will see that the overdue time has come when when in this case we'll say after a month. Then you are reminded that you want to check this plant again. So while now I can say ready to go, and then the observation is added, you will see then in the activity log that this is added, and all your colleagues will see that also on the dashboard, that there was some action going on with this particular plant. The last thing you could do is to think maybe the new photo is more appropriate for the public site. You can see this one is now the featured. If you want to change that, you can go in here and click the star button. And that's all about recording photos and observations in Hortis. Hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.